Thank you so much for joining us for this exciting day to mark the groundbreaking for the new Memorial Union. This is a project that has been underway thanks to the efforts of our student leadership over several years now, and we're so thrilled and delighted that it's coming to fruition as a start today.
The Union has always been an epicenter of student activity. It's where students make new friends, where organizations host events and meetings, where students find services like One Stop, and where student government was housed for years. And it's where change happened. It's where students grew. It's where they made memories that are going to last the rest of their lifetime. And so now a new union means new opportunities for our future students, and it will be one of the focal points of the future generations of students on campus.
All of the progress that we see on campus, I've been gone for 3 months, and this place looks like an entirely new one. And if we can accomplish that in 3 months, I can't wait to see what we can accomplish in 3 years.